Hey, welcome. I'm the Crypto Coach Blockchain Wayne. In this video, we're going to dive into the Alty wallet, show you all the FIO integrated features within the Alty wallet and how to utilize those features. Now, the Alty wallet allows you to send, receive, and store crypto within platforms like WhatsApp, Telegram, and Discord to combine social communication with cryptocurrency wallets. Let's take a look. I'm going to show you in WhatsApp how to utilize this protocol. So from the Alty bot, I go into the Alty bot here, and I've already onboarded, set up my wallet. So from here, I'm going to hit /FIO. Now, once I type that in, it's going to pull up my options of utilizing FIO and setting up a FIO crypto handle. It tells me what it is, and then I can put what my username is. Now, it's in the format of username at domain, so I'm going to put in what I want my username to be. So I type in Wayne M, and I hit send, and it's going to let me know if that's available. It says it's available, and it's free with Alty, so I hit yes. Once I type in that yes, it'll be set up, and now my FIO crypto handle on my Alty wallet is Wayne M at Alty. It shows me it's set up. It gives me a YouTube video. It tells me how to use it, and that's what we're giving you right here as well, a full demo of all of the FIO features. So next, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to type in here. I'm going to type in FIO again, and now it'll show me what I can do with that FIO crypto handle. It says what my FIO crypto handle is. I can request, send, or check on pending FIO requests here. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to type in wallet, so I can show you my wallet here. Now from there, I can request not just FIO, but any cryptocurrency that's supported within the Alty wallet. You see them listed there. Also any ERC20 token. So now let's take a look at requests. So I'll type in request, and it will now ask me to type in the phone number or FIO crypto handle I want to send. So say I want to request from Blockchain Wayne at Edge. I'm requesting that they send me some cryptocurrency. So once I type in that crypto handle, hit send. Now it's asking me which one would I like to receive. So for the FIO request, I would like to receive Ethereum. So I type in ETH, and this shows you just some of the ones that are available. ETH, hit send, and then it's going to ask me how much ETH would I like to request. So then I type in, say, 0.05005 ETH, hit enter, and I send that, and now it has sent that request. I'll get a confirmation. I've sent that request to Blockchain Wayne at Edge. As soon as that person gets that request and fulfills it, it'll show up in the wallet. So I hit wallet. All right, and now you can see that 0.005 ETH has been fulfilled. That person that received that request has fulfilled it. So now, say I want to receive. I type in /receive, and it's going to show me how I can receive all the different long string public addresses that are available, or that one FIO crypto handle at the bottom, which is Wayne M at Alty, that can replace any of those other long string public addresses. That shows me what I need to do to receive crypto to the wallet. If I just want to send somebody my FIO crypto handle, I can send it to Wayne M at Alty. So now I want to send cryptocurrency from here. So I type in send, and it's asking me what do I want to send. So say I want to send some of that ETH. I type in ETH, and then it's going to ask me where I want to send it to. So now utilizing FIO send, I can put in a FIO crypto handle. So now say Blockchain Wayne at Edge overpaid me. I want to send some back. I type in Blockchain Wayne at Edge, and then it's going to ask me how much I want to send. And from here, I just type in how much I want to send, 0.0035. I'm not going to send it all back. Hit send, and that it's as easy as that. I should get a confirmation here in a second showing that it has been sent. There it is. I've successfully sent that ETH to Blockchain Wayne at Edge. It was as simple as that. So now when I type my wallet, to view my wallet, you can see my balance of ETH and other balances here as well. So now I can type in pending and see pending FIO requests. And if someone sent me a FIO request, I can see if I have one. And see, I have one right here. It shows me a FIO request number, which is at 45137. And they want 200 FIO tokens. So now if I want to fulfill that, I can type in accept, and then I type in that crypto handle ID, which is 45137. I'm accepting that request, which means I want to send it. And as simple as that, I've just sent 200 FIO tokens to the wallet address that is requesting it. Should get a confirmation here in a second. And it's as simple as that. It was that easy to send crypto. It was that easy to fulfill a request. It was that easy to request crypto. You can utilize all these features. Now when I hit wallet, you can see here, I've got 97 FIO tokens left in the wallet. I've got that fraction of the ETH that I have left after my FIO send. And it's as simple as that to utilize FIO protocol within the Alty wallet. So make sure to get in and check it out.